My heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, be I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, be I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, be I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
More variety from the 2000s, the 90s, and today. It's Star 1013. It's Marcus and Corey back again with Second Date Update, y'alls.
Second date update is about somebody goes on a date with someone, thinks it went awesome, and it didn't, and there was no second date.
Yeah, so Dylan's on the phone. Dylan, good morning.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Doing all right. Tell us about this lady you met on Bumble, Amina.
Yeah, exactly. It was Amina, and we did meet on Bumble. And we decided actually to go for our first date to Walnut Creek for dinner.
Okay.
We kind of both live out that way, and like it's been so hot, right? So we decided to do, something fresh. So we did sushi, which I'm a big fan of it. Amina's a big fan of sushi, so
Perfect.
we got everything, right? Cold seaweed salad, rolls, cold sake. It was awesome. Like for a first date, it was actually a really cool spot.
Did you guys vibe? Was she cool?
She's awesome. She's a boss lady, right? Like she's a total boss lady.
Okay.
She owns her own small business. It's a greeting card company. Like she's got her stuff together, right? And we had a good time. The patio was great. We found a place with misters. It was just a really cool vibe, right? At the end of the day, everything seemed pretty good. I got a hug out of it, which I'm not going to complain about that. And then we went our separate ways. We didn't make plans for a second date, but we talked about it. Like we said, yeah, well, we should definitely do a second date, right?
Got it.
But I haven't heard from her since. I've tried to make plans. I've texted her. I've called her. Nothing. So I don't know. Like we talked about doing a second date, so I'm not sure why she's totally ghosted me.
Right. So just completely disappeared. Not even like slowed down or emojis on the text or anything. Just gone.
Maybe she went into witness protection.
Yeah, she didn't mention her criminal record, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, but she can't tell you. Once they change her name and everything, she can't tell anybody.
I don't want to know how you know this.
Everybody knows this.
Okay, look, Dylan, we'll have you on the line when we call her, and we'll see if we can get some answers. Maybe she's been busy. Who knows? Can you hang out for a song?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, my dude. We're gonna play this song, and then we'll call Amina next. It's a Second Date Update, Star 1013.
My life is brilliant. My life is brilliant. My love is pure. I saw an angel, of that I'm sure. She smiled at me on the subway. She was with another man. But I won't lose no sleep on that, 'cause I've got a plan. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you. Yes, she caught my eye as we walked on by. She could see from my face that I was flying high, and I don't think that I'll see her again. But we shared a moment that will last to the end. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never
Marcus and Corey. We're doing second date update. We've been chatting with our guy Dylan, who went out on a date. What was her name, Dylan?
Amina.
Amina, thank you.
So you guys had a great dinner, everything went swimmingly, and now you can't get a hold of her.
Yeah, nothing. I've got nothing from her.
Let's get her on the phone.
We're going to call her, and we'll see what's up. Hang on.
Hello? Hi, Amina. It's Marcus and Corey from Star 1013.
Good morning.
Oh my God! Hi guys, how are you?
Oh my God, so
Oh
exciting.
my God, you're so good. How are you?
I'm good. I love you guys. I mean, I miss Sandy, but Corey you've been doing great.
Thank you.
Yeah, you just fit right in with Marcus and Jason. Like, oh my gosh, hi. What's going on? What's
We
happening?
were talking about this yesterday. I've been here for 10 years. She's been here for 10 minutes. People already like her better.
That's not
I think
true.
I need character improvement. I
That's
think
not true.
I need therapy or a life coach or something. I'm not sure. I'm just kidding. Anyway, so good to talk to you, Amina. Hi.
Hi.
So
guess,
why do you think we're calling?
Yes, guess what time it is?
Is this the second date update?
It's time for a second date update.
We don't have a theme song.
What if you were second date update? Is that okay?
I mean, it's fine. It wouldn't surprise me, to be honest.
Do you know who's silently on the phone waiting to tell you where you went wrong?
If I had to guess, it would be this guy named Dylan.
Okay.
Spot on.
Hey, Dylan. Are you there,
Hi.
Dylan? Hey, okay, all right.
Hey, Amina, like it's a long time no talk.
Yeah, hi. This is interesting.
Well, we want to get Amina's side of the
We're
story.
all adults. We've heard
Yes.
Dylan's side of the story on the date. He enjoyed himself. He'd love to take you out again. What are your thoughts?
Oh, geez. I mean, honestly, everything was great. We had a really good time, got some sushi, until the bill came.
Oh, yeah?
And Dylan didn't pay for anything, like anything. Didn't even like make, the move to try to pull his wallet out or pretend like he was gonna pay for something or, oh, let me at least get the tip. Nothing. It was
That's a girl
really
move.
weird.
When you go for your wallet and then
But you
you
didn't really
wait
need it.
for the other person to say, oh, no, I got this. And you're like, really?
Oh, we know.
Okay.
By the way, we know. Dylan, your thoughts?
Well, yeah, so in my defense, here's the thing. She asked me out, right? Because, like I said, we met on Bumble, and that's how it works. The lady takes charge on Bumble, so I did exactly that. I let her take charge. She's the one that asked me on the date, so I thought, listen, this is her date. It's her idea. She's the one that wanted to go out with me, so I thought, you know what, it'd be the polite thing to do to let her take. And then the next date, for the second date,
Polite.
I was
You're
totally
so
cool with
generous.
going Dutch.
I mean,
But on the second date, I was cool with going Dutch, guys. I wasn't I'm not out in touch.
No, you go Dutch on the first date. If one of you is not picking it up.
Exactly. It sounds like a scam, to be honest, Dylan. You just get on Bumble so that the girls just always conveniently have to be the one who asks you out, so you never have to pay for a first date.
is this a long-term
I'm
move,
sorry,
Dylan?
guys.
Have you done this more than once?
I don't know. I think on Bumble it's probably a little bit more common than you think, guys. I mean, maybe Tinder or something like that. Sure, I'll pay. But on Bumble, she's the one that's interested in me. I'm not. She's the one that's contacting me.
So you take charge, but that doesn't mean you pay for all the charges.
Exactly. I still want to be wined and dined, and you could have at least made an effort.
I'm sorry. I thought it was 2022. I didn't think this was still a big deal. And
You're not listening. He's not listening.
Who cares who pays?
Dylan, listen.
Why is that such a big deal? What?
Do you want to be right or do you want to be happy?
Well, I think both. I think two things are possible here. I don't think we should
Oh,
shut
this
the
is
door
why he's
on
still
both.
single. Hold
She
on, you
asked
guys.
him
hang on.
out.
This guy is so dead.
I put him
I
on hold. I
honestly.
can't. I'm trying to walk him through not screwing up, and he's not. Never mind.
You can't. No. I mean, do you guys see why I ghosted him? No, thank you.
All right, you got it. Hold on. I'm so polite to the very end. No, thank you.
No, thank you.
There was so many things wrong with that dude. I can't even. Anyway, I digress. It's 7:05 weekday mornings. Replays at 9:05. Obviously, it's called Second Date Update, and it's got its own podcast, so you can binge listen. There are some wins in there, I promise.
There's hope.
Download the iHeartRadio app for free and go.